Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a page in a Squarespace website. This is squarespace.com, and to add a page in your Squarespace website, first you need to log into your account. Then click on this website button below your desired website. Then go to Pages and click on this plus icon next to main navigation. You can you can create between different types of page. Let's go with a blank page. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. You can rename your page here, for example, appointments, hit enter. And to start editing this page, click on this edit button and you can customize it or edit it as you like. And this is how to add a page on Squarespace website. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.